Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up family sharing on Spotify, so you can enjoy your favorite music together with your loved ones. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you get started, make sure you have a Spotify Premium Family Plan. You can upgrade your account by visiting the Spotify website or app to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Log into your account. Open the Spotify app or website and log into your premium account using your credentials. This is the main account that will manage your family sharing. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 4. Select Manage Your Family. Scroll down to find the Your Plan section. Here, you will see an option that says Manage Your Family. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Invite family members. In the Family Management section, you will see an option to invite members. Enter the email addresses of family members you want to invite and click Send Invite. They will receive an email invitation to join your family plan. Step 6. Family members accept invitations. Ask the invited family members to check their emails and accept the invitation. They will need to create a Spotify account if they don't already have one, or log into their existing account. Step 7. Confirming the setup. Once your family members accept the invitations, their accounts will be linked to your family plan. You can manage or remove members anytime from the same family management page. Step 8. Enjoy shared music. Now that you've set up family sharing, all the members will have access to Spotify premium features, including ad-free listening, unlimited skips, and offline downloads. Everyone can create their own playlists and enjoy their favorite tracks. Don't forget to check settings and make sure all family members are using their accounts to enjoy personalized recommendations. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy listening!